So it's like 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm really tired, and I just thought I'd do an update, I guess. It's gonna rain for the next week. Yeah. Which equals mega mud. Which equals mega off-roading. Since I live on a dirt road, it's gonna be even better. It's gonna be a pain to get on my road, but I'll deal because I love it. Love it. My car is so freaking muddy. It's not even funny. Yeah. Night, everyone. Oh, and another thing. Verizon Wireless is a crock of shit, and I hate their cell phone service, and yeah, I had to pay $72.50 extra my bill because I went over, which is bullshit. And I want to get that off my chest, and I'll post a better rant. I'm just pissed. Night. Again.